How to manage your money. Financial planning is a tool that helps prepare and lead one's life towards financial stability. It should begin with cultivating habits of saving and spending wisely from a young age to instill financial discipline. As one enters the workforce, it becomes essential to know how to allocate income to meet savings goals and appropriate expenses. When one has a family, it becomes necessary to take care of oneself and loved ones, increasing the responsibility and financial burden. This emphasizes the importance of financial planning, which remains crucial even after retirement, as income decreases, and expenses often remain high, such as medical costs, which can become a significant burden without adequate planning. Preparing for unexpected situations and events can help one cope with any challenges that may arise. It is essential to pave the way for financial freedom throughout life. Life can be financially stable if financial planning is initiated from today. If one is unsure about how to get started, there are excellent recommendations on how to plan finances available today. 1. Create a budget. Start by making a list of your monthly income and expenses. This will help you understand your financial situation and identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. 2. Track your spending. Keep track of your spending by using a budgeting app or a spreadsheet. This will help you stay on top of your finances and avoid overspending. 3. Set financial goals. Identify your short-term and long-term financial goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house or paying off debt. Having specific goals will help you stay motivated and focused on your finances. 4. Build an emergency fund. Set aside some money in an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, such as car repairs or medical bills. 5. Pay off debt. Make a plan to pay off any outstanding debt, such as credit card balances or student loans. Start by paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. 6. Invest for the future. Consider investing your money in stocks, mutual funds, or other investment vehicles that offer the potential for long-term growth. Be sure to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. 7. Review your finances regularly. Review your budget and financial goals regularly to make sure you are on track and adjust your plans as needed. Remember that managing your money is a lifelong process that requires discipline and patience. By following these tips and developing good financial habits, you can achieve financial stability and reach your financial goals over time.